Don't want to confiscate it.
Yeah, the one I'm returning is Sunday, January 22nd, 1978, the Indianapolis Star, page 10, section 3. Caption on it is Tallahassee Terror, Police Like Clues to Killing.
We'll see that you get the others with substitute photographs for them with them.
Could we have this one just photocopied for the record?
Yes, we can.
All right,
We
I
certainly
don't
can.
need it in as an exhibit. That's fine. Yes, Mark.
We'll photostat and substitute the photostat for the original and return the original to Ms. Neary.
Ms. Neary, while clerk is marking the other exhibits, I'll ask you and show you what has been marked Defendant's Exhibit A1 for identification, and ask you if you recognize this newspaper clipping.
Yes.
And did you cut this out of the Sentinel Star?
No, I did not.
Who cut this out of the paper?
I don't know.
Ms.
Did you show?
Neary, you're shaking. Don't be upset here. Relax.
Did you?
There's no reason to go through all the process. We'll stipulate these have.
Did you show this to your daughter, Nita?
The daughter would probably be the best answer to that, wouldn't it, Mr. Haggard?
I think so, yeah.
I don't think we need to. Everything's all right, Mother. Relax, all right? Take
Thank
care
you.
of yourself. All right. You may step down.
Thank you, Elizabeth.
Young lady, please take the witness stand.
Neary, I show you what's been marked. Defendant's Exhibits 1, 2, and 3 for identification, and ask if you can, A1, 2, and 3, ask if you can identify them as having seen them before.
This one, no, I do not remember seeing it before.
Which one is that, Mr. Haggard?
Number A1.
All right.
This one, yes. This is the series I was talking about where each one looks different.
What number is that?
A2 and A3.
I don't remember. It looks like the same series there. I might have seen it. I don't really remember. But I might have seen this one, but it's the same pictures as this.
Did your mother have any other pictures than these?
I don't know.
Well, how long has your mother had these pictures?
She's had them for a while, for when the paper started coming out, but she kept them in an envelope, and after I had seen the series of 6, I was advised not to look at any more pictures in the newspaper or on television, and so I stayed away from them.
You've identified A2 as the 6 you saw.
Yes.
Well, that was prior. A2 was prior to you being advised, or after?
Yes, prior.
What is the date of that, Mr. Haggard?
February 19th, Your Honor. Did Did you see all of the clippings that your mother collected?
No, I did not.
Did you see these that she brought here today?
She's already.
I already-
I was just, she's answered. Now, if she's seen any other, I'll let you inquire.
Did you see any in this one that had sort of a profile?
No.
Excuse me. Did you see any in, and that was A2, did you see any in A3 that had sort of a profile?
No.
Do you recall telling Detective Bodiford that you had seen sort of a profile on March 14th?
Objection, down lady present.
Lady, please.
You call this question by Mr. Bodiford. Did you recognize him? Answer. I can't guarantee you I didn't see a good profile, but she just showed me a picture, she referring to your mother, about 2 days ago of a sort of profile. Recall that?
Vaguely.
Was this the sort of profile that your mother was referring, or you were referring to on the phone?
I don't remember that picture right now.
It was in your mother's possession, was it not?
Objection.
No, that's no test of her recollection. What is the date of that?
The date, Your Honor, is 2 days after Exhibit
Well,
A2
never mind
there.
what A2 and that, what's the date of that?
February 23rd.
Thank you, sir.
You recall your conversation? Your Honor, so I can refer to the one I referred to as sort of a profile as A1 for the record. Do you recall your conversation with Detective Bodiford?
Yes, I remember talking to her.
What did he tell you about having someone in jail down in Tallahassee?
Objection.
Find out what you recall from the conversation first. Don't lead her to it.
What do you recall about the conversation, Ryan?
The main thing, the main point I remember about the whole conversation was don't look at any more clippings.
Did he tell you why not to look at any more clippings?
So I could have a positive identification and that the newspapers wouldn't sway my decision.
Did he use the specific word taint?
Pardon me?
Did he use the word, so do not look at any more newspapers so it wouldn't taint your identification?
I don't remember.
Do you know whether he discussed that with your mother?
Objection.
Just name.
Did your mother tell you not to look at any more pictures in the newspaper because Detective Bodiford had told her that?
Objection.
Just name.
Do you remember your mother showing you any newspaper photographs in the car?
Vaguely, yes.
And she pulled out an envelope?
No, I don't remember the envelope.
Where were you driving to?
I believe we were going home. We were downtown Aurora somewhere. We were driving home.
Did you say to her that it looked like the nose, but it was still not a good profile?
Objection.
Sustained.
Did you make a comment as to whether or not it was a good profile to your mother?
I remember.
Your Honor, that assumes that she said there was something like